Hey guys, welcome back to Sipping with Suze. Today we're gonna make a very delicious cocktail. It's a blackberry green tea sour. Super delicious, a little bit sour, but a little bit sweet too. We're gonna start off with 2 ounces of our Green Owl Vodka. Beautiful. We're gonna muddle about 3 to 4, maybe even 5 blackberries, depending how juicy they look. I'm using about 5. I love a blackberry, what can I say? Just gonna muddle them so nice. This is a cocktail that you're gonna wanna strain at the end, so make sure you have a strainer handy. Put that to the side. Now we're gonna juice about a full lemon. Use only fresh ingredients. That's what's really gonna take your cocktail to the next level. Never using, the fake artificial lime juice or anything like that. From concentrate, you wanna use real lemon or lime. Beautiful. It's gonna be about 2 ounces. It's nice. Perfect. It's called the sour, so we want it to have that nice sour taste. Now we're just gonna put a little bit of agave syrup, about a 1/4 ounce to a 1/2 ounce in there. Beautiful. Use a little bit of egg white. I actually love using egg whites in my cocktails. There are vegan egg white substitutes now, which are awesome, which you can put in. We're gonna put an ounce in of our egg whites. You're not gonna taste them. They're just gonna make the drink foamy and delicious. So the trick with egg whites is that it's what's called a dry shake first. So we're gonna use 1 cube of ice in our dry shake first. And it's just to activate the egg whites. Pop. Gonna put the blackberry in. That egg white becoming activated, it kind of feels a bit heavier. And then we're gonna cool it down with more ice. All right, there we go. Perfect. Putting a little ice in our rocks glass, and then we are going to strain this in. So look at that froth. Ooh! And you can make a mess, that's okay. That's what happens sometimes. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of this. We're gonna add a little bit more ice. Ooh, beautiful. And we're gonna top it off with a beautiful little blackberry. Just on a skewer. Very cute. Pop it in there. Cheers, guys.